Hey Camille, this is my kitty cat. Her name's Tiger, and she loves TV. It's such a cute meow. It thinks my teddy bear is its mama. Isn't that adorable? Now, Camille, I'm sure you'll like this video. Bye!